How does the EU AI Act define GPAI? Imagine a machine that can do many different jobs, from writing stories to creating images or even understanding speech. It sounds like science fiction, but it's actually becoming part of real laws. Today, we're talking about how the EU Artificial Intelligence Act explains what general-purpose artificial intelligence is. The EU AI Act describes GPAI as an AI model that has three main features. First, it shows a lot of generality, meaning it can handle many different types of tasks. Second, it can perform these tasks well, even if they are very different from each other. Third, it can be added to many different systems or applications. So, a GPAI is not just good at one thing but is flexible and adaptable across many uses. More specifically, the law says GPAI models are trained with large amounts of data. They often use a method called self-supervision, which helps the model learn from the data itself at a big scale. This training allows the models to be versatile and handle many kinds of tasks effectively. For example, large generative AI models that produce text, images, audio, or video are typical examples of GPAI. These models can generate content in many formats and support a wide range of applications, from chatbots to content creation tools. The law makes a clear distinction between GPAI models and AI systems. AI systems include the models plus user interfaces that let people interact with them. GPAI refers specifically to the core models that power these systems. While most AI models are not directly regulated, GPAI models are treated as a separate category because of their broad abilities and possible impact. The law also points out that some GPAI models could pose risks if they are very capable or used widely. These risks might affect public health, safety, democratic processes, or economic security. Because of this, the EU AI Act requires providers of GPAI to be transparent about their models and to put risk mitigation measures in place. These rules will start applying on August 2, 2025. Additional transparency rules for content created by AI will come into effect from August 2, 2026. To help companies follow these rules, the EU is working on a voluntary code of practice for GPAI. This code will guide providers on how to meet the transparency, copyright, and risk assessment requirements. It aims to make sure GPAI models are developed and used responsibly. In short, the EU AI Act defines GPAI as a highly capable, versatile AI model trained at a large scale. It can perform many different tasks and be integrated into various applications. Because of its broad potential and possible risks, GPAI is subject to specific rules to ensure safe and responsible use.